drama. It's an improvisation where you have certain characters who will play back the story, but you'll have the actual roles of the people in that drama. So it may be that someone will play a parent, someone will play a child, someone will play the boss, someone will play the overseer, someone will play whatever the story is. There'll be a role for that kind of character.
Light must shine through the darkness. After night comes the day. Better must come. Spread a ray of sunshine, or even a sip from the holy wine.
And remember who you are, boy. Know your place in our place. It's no disgrace. It's a matter of race. Make no case. It's only your creed. Some may say a little greed in our case. Make no, never mind who got there first. Okay, who was there first? You know we had to quench our thirst. Thank you.
Amen.
I have a very, very sad story. I was born a very sad child. I am an orphan from birth.
I am going to have to be
Why did they leave me?
child soldier. A child soldier. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine?
I don't want to be
Only
a
child
spy,
out of 9.
but I'm a spy.
Only left alive.
That was really a true display there for me. It took me back 60 years ago. Thank you very much.
Thank you for sharing with us. My longing and waiting was all about my dad coming back after 3.5 years. Okay, so let's watch.
I plan to go back home, but
I'm confused.
seems like things are better here. We're going to try and build a life here. I hope you can find a way to settle in.
And that really took me back there when confusion, as I said, sin, because there I was thinking looking back, I probably thought I was on holiday and we were all going to go back to Jamaica. But it really just sent shivers down my spine. It's just, let me just it welled up, remembering that night. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, would you like to choose a phrase?
Trying to think of when I put him on the spot.
I love
Connection, family.
I think I learned a lot from my granddad, number one. So I always remember my granddad always saying, just be you. I don't know, it's quite simple.
I am proud of who I am, and I will be me.
Yes, love yourself, bruv. Be who you are. Stand up for yourself, man. Yes.
I will be who I am,
Speak yourself.
because it's who I naturally will be.
It is what it is. You are what you are.
That's right. Why
Yes.
should I try to fit in?
Yes. You is a Jamaican, you tan there, you born there. You are, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and you accept it as you is.
Be your
Yes.
man. Be your man.
Yes.
Don't let anyone change you.
No.
You know the
Yes.
business.
You is what you is.
I am one of a kind.
Yes.
I am not anyone else. I cannot be anyone else. I
Follow
will be
nobody
myself.
That's it. No followers.
Don't follow nobody
No matter
else.
where you come from, man.
Exactly.
Turn up
Yeah,
a
black
ball,
man.
say turn up and
You
fight
come
for your
from
life.
Africa,
I am
you're
proud
African.
of who I am.
No matter where you
your
come
own
from,
man.
man.
Yes.
Keep
your identity, man.
I am from a
Me and
generation of
granddad.
greats.
I'm
Come
not
on, me
gonna change.
granddad, me and
This
granddad. Let me chop my trousers.
Yeah?
Yes. Me love granddad.
I'm a string vest.
No respect.
See how me
Be
look?
proud of who you
No
are.
granddad, man.
Be
Me and
proud.
Do not
granddad.
try to fit in.
Me not
Be
talk.
proud.
Me talk.
Stand
Stand
up.
up tall.
That's how me learn.
Stand up
And me
tall.
love you for what you is.
Yes.
Granddad, man.
Stand out.
Be
Do not
proud.
be
Be
anyone
Me and
else.
me
Be
coffee
proud of
shots
who
and
you
you
are.
be proud.
Be
Be
proud.
proud. Be proud.
Be proud.
Accept yourself.
Stand
Granddad. Love you, baby.
Amazing. I feel, it sounds cheesy, but like my heart feels warm. I just thought it was amazing. I thought I loved the community spirit of it. I loved all the different characters that were actors. They were great.
They had skills before they came here, and then when they came here they was given the menial jobs which didn't pay them much money, which their plan wasn't to stay here. Their plan was to make enough money to go back home, and they didn't, and they suffered racism, they suffered low pay, and they went through a lot of trauma.
Most impactful thing that stuck in my head is hearing that young man talking about his story, and in particular his grandfather's.
Excellent. That's all I can say.
I learned a little bit more about my history from people who did the storytelling from a different perspective, one that I never heard before.